Firstly, log into your account portal using your 10-digit customer ID and password. Now, click on Service Number Management. Now select Add New Service Number. Click New Local Number. Then, find a number with your preferred area code. Once you find a number you like, click Select. Now, choose the callback display plan. Next, enter the number you wish to return calls to, then press Activate Service. Click on the number you've just added. Then, under Forward Incoming Calls to, click the drop-down and choose Insert Mobile Masking. Now, name your access list, for example, staff members. Then enter the mobile or landline number of the people you wish to allow to use this service. Enter the number of outbound calls you wish to allow every 24 hours. Finally, under Service to handle return calls, select the 1300 or 1800 number you want customers to reach you on if they call back. Then, scroll up and click Save.